Welcome to our assembly video. Continue watching to learn how to put together this hutch. Begin by placing parts 4, 6, and 7 on either part 2 or 3. Place the remaining side piece on top and then tighten with screws. Connect parts 11, 12, and 14 with screws. Connect part 10 to the top and secure with screws. Insert backing piece 13 and enclose with part 1. Use a screwdriver to secure the screws in the back. Note that we do not recommend using an electric screwdriver. Stand your bottom half upright and then place your top half on top. Attach your top half by securing the screws along the bottom of part 1. Lay your unit down to slide in the backing piece. Use a screwdriver to secure the screws in the back. For extra support, screw in parts labeled N to the bottom of the unit with screws labeled O. To attach your doors to the hinges on the unit, use screws labeled E. Finish off by attaching your door handles to the doors with screws labeled F.